So in essence, I'm saying that this is what do we have today? So this we had this big run up, and we had this M structure, right? Double structure, H4 market structure shift. This is level one. We tap back into the Fair Value gap, went into level two. I'm thinking that this low that was made because it rejected this low and it came back inside is actually a H4 um, total suit. Total suit stop hunt same time thing. Right, and then we've had all these structures um, to give us the retracement back into the range, which should lead to a reversal, a reset slash reversal. So I'm looking at this area as a key area that it may happen in. So what I am going to do is wait. It's a H4 structure, so I expect a M15 structure. It's a H4 key level, so I expect a M15 structure to form. So potentially M15 high probability order block, M15 market structure shift, bearish one, is also a good indication. I think also this 30-minute TDI to cross the signal line. So I'm just writing it down as well. So I think, yeah, poised for the short. Something obviously can happen. Price will keep going up, which then I would look to buy. However, as it stands, we have had a M1 market structure shift also, which this one doesn't need to show.
How far you gotta go till you feel like you already home? And how much you gotta spend till you realize that you really never going broke? How many motherfuckers gotta tell you that you changed cause you got a little change? And how the fuck they gonna tell you the best when they told somebody else the same thing? Come on, cause you fly first class every day. Come on, cause you roll up all that grass every day. Come on, cause you spend up all that cash every day. Come on, driving them foreign cars fast every day. Come on, and if you ain't, this the kind of shit you need to get on. I'm talking all the Marpiages, leather seats to sit on. This ain't just how I feel today, this the shit I've been on. People always talking about what they think they know, about what they think I'm doing, how I feel and where I go. But no matter how much money I make, I'm gonna stay the same. Since I've been up at the top, ain't too much change. Cause we already on. We already on. We already on. smoked weed that was quite this strong. Never took a flight this long. Never drank champagne in Italy. Never spent a night in Rome. But it's funny cause those are the exact same things that helped me write this song. Caught up living a life where trying to do all the right things feels wrong. So I keep rolling and lighting them and praying to God that we live long. It's summertime, let's fade away. It's wintertime, let's make it summer. Don't look down, keep your head up. Don't look down, keep your head up. It's summertime, let's fade away. It's wintertime, let's make it summer. About what they think they know, about what they think I'm doing, how I feel and where I go. But no matter how much money I make, I'm gon' stay the same. Since I've been up at the top, ain't too much change. Cause we already on. We already on. We already on.
I was like, how can I be stupid? I got my Walkman in my top pocket, my headphones going into my blazer sleeve. You think I'm resting my head on my hand? Nah fam, I'm listening to music. But you didn't know what I was doing. I'm on the ball like Patrick Ewing. You better not get out your chair, cause when you come back you'll be sitting in the gum I'm chewing. I kept acting a fool till I left school with 1 GCSE. Screwing, hit the road. Yo, I got a little buzz, I left the road for my supporters, the show we love. Verse 2, alright. Junior, aka Joseph Adenuga, left school with 1 GCSE self-raising flour, 2 eggs and a ruler. I went home straight to the computer. My mum told me to turn it down. A couple years later, I'm in the jeweler, picking up stuff that I only dreamed about being able to afford. I bought my dad a brand new car, straight off the showroom floor. It weren't a Porsche, but it meant the same thing to him. Stop smiling, dad, jump in the thing. Emotional, I wanna cry, my eyes tingling. See, they wanna know how I'm on the way to a meal, but still, I keep it so real. Okay, I'm ready to answer the question. No deal, just me and Sam, that's a good team. Right now I'm living the hood dream. Me, Gets, Gigs and C, repping the UK at the BET. And Tingy Strider once told me, Skepta, play the game but break the rules. Even if it's a fist fight, take a tool. Even if it's one per person, take it all. Cause nobody's praising, boy, better know for getting off the ground. So I ain't jumping off my high horse anytime soon, cause it's just too far down. And I can hear man saying Skepta's gonna fall off. Oxymoron, I run onto the Grime MC pitch and kick the ball off. What? It's Skepta the listeners wanna hear more of. You had a little buzz but it wore off. I don't wanna hear no talk about sawn off. I'll kick the door off, run up in the house like God forgive me if I hurt any children. Can't take me for Paris Hilton. You better know I'm a Tottenham Temple soldier, old type Mr. Wilson. Call me a lyrical author, I specialise in lyrical slaughter. And if you think he's better than me, then you ain't got taste like water. No matter how hard you try to, you can never make duppy like I do. Anywhere you wanna hide, I'll find you. Do I have to remind you that I'm on a one-man thing? But I got a big family like Patel and Singh. So when I go make me a duppy, nobody knows who boyed off the tag. They're like, Skepta, what's poppin'? So I told them ace of spades. Me, Scholar, Rapid and Gracious K. Shoot the champagne like a Mac 10. When I get hold of it, I pop it off and spray. Plus my cousin Dwight just come out of jail, so I'm celebrating today. I'm like hip hip hooray. I won't stop, I cleaned up with a broom and a mop. And now I got IBS on my intestines, feeling like it's tied in a knot. Tim, it must be all the champagne. I'm a dad like Mark and Zane, heavyweight champion, so you know how to get Frank Warren on my album campaign. A lot of money's exchanging accounts, I'm talking about stupid amounts. All your checks are like a basketball, they bounce. You in the air like Michael Jordan, better still you man are like Rodman. Big shout to my brothers in Tottenham that love me like they love gaming Compton. Yo, it's Joseph, I get dough, bread, Hovis. Plus, me and my paper stick together like Stitcher and Otis. Yo, better know boy, better know this. I bought an R6, got chased by the boy, them and got shift. I got a fine and a 6-month driving ban, so I sold it. Family, I'm fine. What you better know is the label I'm already signed. I'm the reason anyone over 25 still listens to grime. Yeah, take that to heart. My ears burning from the talk in the yard. Nah, man, I don't like grime, but you see that guy Skepta, he's hard. Nah, you can't do it like me. Part-time criminal, full-time MC. Friends wanna look up the IC3 because I don't play like a blank CD. It's the way that I am with the women. I murked every single dance that I've been in.